Modes of transport in international logistics. Supply chain manager's perspective. In supply chain management, one of the greatest challenges for the supply chain manager is selecting the most appropriate mode of transport for each product, destination, and situation. This decision directly impacts logistics costs, delivery times, and customer satisfaction. In this video, we will analyze the main modes of transport from a managerial perspective, starting with maritime transport, the predominant mode in international logistics, and continuing with rail, road, air, and parcel transport. Maritime transport. Maritime transport is the backbone of international trade. More than 80% of the world's goods are moved by sea. Its main strengths are its enormous cargo capacity and its low cost per ton transported. Container ships are the key players in this mode. The largest ships in the world, such as those of the OOCL Hong Kong or MSC Arena class, can carry more than 24,000 TEU, equivalent to about 240,000 metric tons of cargo. A TEU, 20-foot equivalent unit, represents a standard 20-foot-long container, the most common unit used to measure shipping capacity. With more than 400 meters in length, these vessels connect major maritime routes across the planet, from Asia to Europe and the Americas. In Peru, the port of Callao, the country's most important port, has a depth of up to 16 meters, allowing it to receive large ships with a capacity of approximately 15,000 TEU. During 2024, Callao handled around 1.9 million TEU, and with the expansion of the South Pier, its capacity is projected to reach 2 million TEU per year by 2025, capable of accommodating vessels up to 400 meters long. Meanwhile, the port of Shansei, located about 80 kilometers north of Lima, will be a next-generation port with a natural depth of around 17 meters, enabling it to receive megaships of up to 24,000 TEU. In its first operational phase, 2025, it will be able to handle 1 million TEU, with a total projected capacity of 5 million TEU in later phases. Thanks to its scale, maritime transport allows a significant reduction in unit costs, although it requires longer transit times and careful planning in advance. Rail transport is ideal for moving large volumes of goods over long distances within a country or continent. In Peru, the Central Andean Railway connects Callao with the Central Highlands, while the Southern Railway links Arequipa, Cusco, and the port of Matarani. Each railcar can carry between 60 and 80 tons, and a full freight train can include more than 40 cars, exceeding 2,000 tons per trip. It is an efficient, reliable, and more sustainable option compared to road transport, although it requires specialized infrastructure. Road transport. Road transport offers flexibility and reach, allowing direct access to factories, distribution centers, and retail points. There are two main types of service: express or exclusive service, dedicated to a single client or destination; consolidated service, which combines goods from multiple clients to optimize costs. Among the types of trucks and their average capacities, we have small truck or van, up to 4 tons, rigid truck up to 10 tons, semi-trailer truck between 25 and 30 tons, road train or by-train over 40 tons. Air transport is used when speed is the top priority and the value of time outweighs the cost of freight. A supply chain manager turns to this mode in critical situations: urgent deliveries, perishable products, high-value electronics, or parts that halt a production line. Cargo aircraft such as the Boeing 747-8F can carry up to 140 tons, and the Antonov AN-124 exceeds 150 tons. However, air transport is the most expensive of all modes, so it must be used strategically and only when time truly justifies the cost. Parcel and courier transport. Parcel transport combines different modes, maritime, air, and land, to ensure fast and traceable deliveries. Companies such as DHL, FedEx, or UPS use advanced tracking systems that allow customers to monitor their shipments in real time. This mode has become a fundamental pillar of e-commerce, where customer experience depends directly on logistics efficiency. Comparative table of transport capacities. Maritime, container ship, MSC Arena class, 240,000, approximately 24,000 TEU. Rail, full freight train, 2,000 plus tons. Road, by train or road train, 40 plus tons. Air, Antonov AN-124 cargo aircraft, 150 plus tons. For the supply chain manager, choosing the right mode of transport means balancing cost, time, capacity, and reliability. Each mode has its own function and competitive advantage. Success in logistics depends on integrating all modes strategically within an efficient, sustainable, and customer-oriented global network.